Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Academy. It's my lecture number 3 on the chapter tissues. Now we will do all the concept once again related to chapter number 6 of our science book class 9th, tissues. It's a very easy and interesting chapter. As we know that a group of cell, a, a group of a group of cell, एक सेल के ग्रुप को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? टिश्यू. वी कॉल्ड इट एज टिश्यू. सेल के जब ग्रुप होते हैं तो सेल के पहले एक सिंगल सेल होता है. किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म पहले एक सिंगल सेल होता है. वो सिंगल सेल से जब बहुत सारे सेल डिवाइड होते हैं, व्हेन दे डिवाइड, then it forms very numerical very numbers of cell. Then each cell have different function, as some cell excretion, transportation, reproduction, digestion and transpiration. There are different functions of different cells, so they need to be done by different groups of cell, and different groups of cell have different types of function, and group of cell is called as tissues, in this chapter on which we will talk about. So let's start this chapter in a easy way. So I will move to next slide. So we will start with a definition. I think the screen is visible to you all. A group or collection of similar cells perform or help to perform same function and arise from the same origin are called the tissues. मतलब किसी मैंने जो भी बताया कि जो ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स है, क्या ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स, जब ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स एक साथ हो जाते हैं तो क्या फॉर्म करते हैं? दे फॉर्म्स द टिश्यूज. दे फॉर्म्स टिश्यूज and the group of tissues forms organ, and the all organ make a full human body. The tissues are different types, as there are two types of tissue. The one is the plant tissue and other is the animal tissue. So there are two types of tissues, plant tissues and animal tissue. In this chapter we will talk about both of them in a nice way so that it would be clear to you all. Okay, so what I want to say, that group of cell is called as tissue and group of tissues are called as organ, and the organs forms whole body of human. So the tissues are different types depending on the functions of organism. मतलब the tissues are of different types depending on the functions. मतलब हर tissues अलग अलग प्रकार है उनके functions के हिसाब से. ठीक है, किसी tissues का function होगा for excretion, then those tissues function will only excretion, nothing other than that. Okay, this was the definition about the tissue. Now we will move forward for the next slide. So the basically tissues are of two types. I had tell about that. The tissues are two types: plant tissue and animal tissue. First of all, we will talk about plant tissue. So plant tissues are sometimes dead and some tissues are living. It depends upon the different types of tissues. And but animal tissues or all the types of tissues are living. There is no death, no dead tissue, no living tissue. Okay, sorry, there is no dead tissue, all are living tissue. But in plant tissues, some are dead and some are living. We will talk about both of them in a correct way. So plant perform function which are different from animals and also their structure is different. मतलब प्लांट्स हैं, उनके अपने अपने फंक्शन हैं और वो अलग अलग एनिमल्स पे अलग अलग हैं और उनके अलग अलग स्ट्रक्चर्स भी हैं. हेंस दे हैव टिश्यूज विच आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. मतलब इससे मैं क्या एक बात आपको बता देती हूँ. जो एनिमल टिश्यूज़ हैं, जो एनिमल के टिश्यू हैं, द एनिमल टिश्यूज़ आर कॉम्प्लेक्स. जो एनिमल टिश्यू होते हैं ये कॉम्प्लेक्स होते हैं, दे आर कॉम्प्लेक्स. But whereas when I compare to plant tissue, these plant tissue are simple. I think it's clear to you. जो एनिमल टिश्यू है दे आर कॉम्प्लेक्स, एज देयर इज सम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी, एज देयर इज मस्कुलर टिश्यू, द कार्डियक टिश्यू, द नर्वस टिश्यू and different all and all. As the cardiac tissue are also divided into different parts. The muscular tissue are divided into involuntary, voluntary tissue, simple tissue and different all. So animal tissues, what I tell, animal tissue, the animal tissue have the animal tissue is complex. The animal tissue is complex, whereas when I compare to plant tissue, it's simple. Okay. Plants perform functions which are different from animals. Their functions are different. Both plant tissue and animal tissue functions are different. Their structure is different. Hence, they have tissues which are different from animals. They are further classified in much subcategories, which is shown in table below. I will show you the table. Wait, I will move forward in the next slide. So this, I think this table is visible to you. This is the plant tissue structure. So we will talk all this structure in a correct way. As meristematic, I want to tell you that the plant tissue, जो plant tissue है ना, इसमें दो प्रकार के टिश्यू. How many types? 2 types. One is dividing. एक डिवाइडिंग टिश्यू है, पर जो दूसरा है वो नॉन डिवाइडिंग है. वो नॉन डिवाइडिंग है. ठीक है, ये बात आपको ध्यान देनी है. सो मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू, कौन सा? मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू जो है ये क्या होता है? इसमें डिवीजन शो होता है. इन दिस टिश्यू डिवीजन अकर्स. Division occurs, but when I talk about permanent tissue, there is no division. अब देखो, ये मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू और परमानेंट टिश्यू आर इंटररिलेटेड विथ ईच अदर. एज द मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू, आई विल टेल, द मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू cells are capable for cell division. They show growth. Meristematic tissue show growth, and as there is apical meristem, intercalary meristem, and different all. ये सब जो है ना, जो मेरिस्टेमेटिक वाले, ये पहले डिवीजन शो करते हैं. बाद में जब इनकी फुल ग्रोथ हो जाती है, देन इट कम्स अंडर परमानेंट टिश्यू. देयर इज नो डिवीजन परमानेंट टिश्यू. ओके. So when the meristematic tissue get matures, then it forms into permanent tissue. Mature cells are capable for cell division, and cells are capable for cell division. In this meristematic tissue, they are showing division, but in permanent tissue, there is no division. When I talk about permanent tissue, then there are 2 types. The one is simple permanent tissue, and other is the complex permanent tissue. So simple tissue, there is a difference between simple tissue and the complex tissue. Simple tissues are made up of single types of cells, right? Simple tissues are made up of single types of cell. But when I talk about complex tissue, when I talk about the complex tissue, then they are of different types. There are different types of cell found in complex tissue, but in the simple tissue there are same types of cell. Simple tissue can be divided into 3 categories. How many categories? Into 3. Parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Okay. Parenchyma, living tissue. Whereas collenchyma is 2 living, sclerenchyma is dead tissue. When I talk about sclerenchyma, we had seen coconut. The coconut's outer layers, which is covered with brown layer, which is dead, which used to secure the inside seed. The sclerenchyma used to secure the inside seed by putting layers, hard layers, so that the seed will be safe. Whereas when I talk about parenchyma and collenchyma, these are living tissue. And the complex tissue are divided into 2 categories: xylem and phloem. Xylem can be divided into xylem vessel, xylem trachea, xylem parenchyma, whereas phloem can be divided into sieve tubes and companion tubes. Okay, it's clear till here, everyone? अब देखो, अब मैं आपको क्या बताना चाहती हूँ. जो जाइलम है, कौन? जाइलम. अभी थोड़ा जाइलम के बारे में जान लेते हैं. एक मिनट, राइटिंग थोड़ी अनडिस्टर्बेंस लग रही होगी आपको. कुछ दिन बाद तभी ठीक हो जाएगी, जब मशीन्स का थोड़ा और आ जाएगा. तो सो जाइलम जो है ये क्या करता है, इट ट्रांसपोर्ट वाटर को मैं यहाँ पे H2O जो होता है, ये जाइलम टिश्यू जो है, ये जाइलम टिश्यू क्या करता है, ट्रांसपोर्ट प्लांट में वाटर. These are xylem fibers which transport water in the whole tree. But when I talk about phloem, it used to distribute food. It used to distribute food. पर जब कौन सा प्रोसेस हो जाता है, when the photosynthesis, the process when the photosynthesis process is over, then food is been released. Then after photosynthesis food is been released, and these foods are distributed by the phloem to the whole body of the plant tissue. Xylem used to distribute water in the leaf. It used to distribute water in the leaves, but the phloem used to distribute food in the whole body of the plant. So this was about the lecture number 3 of that which we had talked earlier lecture, जिसके बारे में अर्लियर लेक्चर में बात कर थी, हमने उसी का रिवीजन कर लिया है. सो दैट आई थिंक दैट यू वुड नॉट फॉरगेट अबाउट ऑल दैट. In my next video we will talk about all the different things about the plant tissue. That's all for today. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my video. I'm from BC Academy. Please like and subscribe my video. If you like it, then share to everyone, to your relatives and to your friends. Thank you.